Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I try to open the Facebook Lite application via my Android mobile, but long time it does not opening, which means that it only shows 3 dots loading message. So how to fix this issue? And here I get this problem in my Samsung Galaxy M30s Android mobile. At same time this trick also works for all Android mobile devices. So before moving to the tutorial, first of all check it if you have a latest version of Lite app or not. So once you update it and then close your Google Play Store. So now this time you can open your settings menu. So here you can locate app section and click to open it. And it shows me all installed apps, but you can locate that Facebook Lite application and click to open it. So here you can go to permissions, but unfortunately here it does not give the any access permission. So due to this permission it shows that kind of loading message. So first of all click to allow all the access permission. So once you done these processes, just go back to the one step. So now this time you can click to access storage and one time clear this entire app data. So by simply go to manage storage and then tick to enable all the options and also enable accounts and settings. So you can click to OK and then press clear option and also clear this app caches. So once you done this processes, just close all the windows and one time restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, now you can open your Google Play Store and then search that Facebook Lite application. So now I try to open this application because I check it if this trick works or not. But now this time you can see the Lite application is opening very smoothly and it does not show that loading message. So friends, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.